I wasn't Austin. I was like so fucking lost.
And who brought you back?
Me. I think you're the only person who can bring you back. Everybody can surround you. Everybody can say, hey man, it's, you know, what's going on? Are you all right? At the end of the day, you just have to take that love that you're offered and say, you know what, life is pretty kick-ass.
For many times I was laughed at and not believed in, but you know what? Nothing external can defeat the internal. The only thing that can take someone down or break you down is internal. Nothing external is strong enough. It's just about making sure your internal dialogue and your internal belief in yourself is strong enough that it can withstand the external. The external is there. You've got to accept it. You've got to embrace it. You've got to understand it and be aware of it. But don't let it seep into your internal dialogue.
You can do it, bro. I'll tell you, you can do it. It can get better.